Guys, thank you for stopping by. I wanted to make this video to show you guys what's selling this week on my eBay. I'm going to leave a link down here. We got this Butex Chronograph with a Lanaron 51 working perfectly, keeping good time, and it's going to sell for whatever you guys decide what the price is. I'm doing live auctions, so I'm going to leave a link down here. And we're also going to be selling this beautiful Omega Seamaster with a bumper automatic. Very nice watch with a gold cap, and it's a really nice watch, all original, and you guys will enjoy this one. Like I said, it's on my eBay. I'm going to leave a link down here on the description, so even if you guys just want to watch what it sells for. So I just wanted to bring them up to you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by.